Is it necessary for lawyers in Alberta to swear an oath to the Queen? One law student is suing the province and the Law Society of Alberta over the requirement for attorneys called to the bar. A letter to the Justice Ministry has over 30 signatures from law professors around the province.
He's raising a couple of constitutional arguments about why he thinks that that law is constitutionally invalid, violates the charter. The mandatory oath discriminates against him as a practicing Sikh.
Edmonton articling student Prabjot Singh Wirring is suing the province and the Law Society of Alberta over the oath to the British monarch. Associate professor at U of A's law school Anna Lund, who signed on to this letter calling on the Justice Ministry to scrap the mandatory pledge, says it goes against the principles of diversity the Law Society has been trying to promote.
In other jurisdictions like Ontario, First Nations people have raised concerns about the oath for a host of reasons, including it runs counter to the view of First Nations as sovereign.
If lawyers aren't swearing allegiance to the Queen, who does it go to? Professor Lund tells me other provinces have lawyers take oaths to uphold the law.
There is no oath of allegiance in British Columbia, but instead all lawyers there swear to, and I got the language here to make sure I got it right, to uphold the rule of law and the rights and freedoms of all persons as provided for in the laws of Canada and British Columbia.
I reached out to both the Justice Ministry and the Law Society of Alberta for comment, but did not hear back in time for broadcast. Lund tells me the legal group has defended the lawsuit but not taken a position, adding they hope it can be solved before going to court.
I think it's important for us to think about, what is the purpose of this tradition? Is there another way to achieve this purpose that also achieves these other really important ends of diversity, of religious non-discrimination?
In Edmonton, Darcy Ropchan, City News.